How to fix WhatsApp low quality media on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix low quality problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First, just open settings and then apps and now apps again, and here you need to find WhatsApp and then just click force stop and then open WhatsApp and then click these 3 points here and then click settings, and here we'll find storage and data. Click on it and now scroll all the way down until you find photo upload quality, and you will find it like that auto. Just select best quality, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.